It's Wednesday, August 17, 2016. It's, I'm waiting. We're in Durango. It's 7:51 a.m. We're in Durango, Colorado. We're taking the 8:45 train down there to Silverton. We're at 6,500 feet now. Silverton is 9,500 feet. It's a 2-hour trip. It's raining now, but the sky looks like it's clearing up. And there's Patsy looking in the window. Oh, hey, put the Tromco hat on. Third, I'll get a picture of you with the Tromco hat.
Read it through real quick.
Okay, turn quick, get a picture with the Tromco hat. There you go. Better go this way, real red. Stand underneath that sign there. Just right there, stay there. Just stay there, look. That's it. Okay, Tromco hat. That's the end of this one.